Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, August 28th, 2020. It's the last Friday of this August of this year, and we have the upcoming weekend on the way. Now, okay, we're going to be dodging some rainfall, but at the very least, it's the weekend, positive things, right? This morning, we have a warm front to the north of us, and it is stalled out. And so as a result, we have a lot of low clouds hanging around the region, a little bit of fog here and there. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over the far northern interior, like northern Connecticut. Everywhere else is pretty much ranging from the mid 60s to lower 70s. And again, your warm spot is all the way down in Wildwood, where you have temperatures in the mid 70s. It's kind of muggy out there, tropical. Okay. Meanwhile, we have trouble way back here. Now, that trouble is associated with this stationary front, and you're getting these weak what we call short waves organizing along this stationary front. And due to some upper level dynamics, they are becoming a little bit invigorated. Meanwhile, this is what's left of Laura. Laura is becoming extratropical, and it's producing a lot of rainfall over the upper Midwest and heading towards the Ohio River Valley. And this low pressure system and cold front, and this cold front here, they will merge and they will pick up what's left of Laura and basically shuttle it right towards our neck of the woods by the time we get to tomorrow, with waves of tropical downpours possible. When you take a look at the radar zoomed in, you can see trouble brewing here over the eastern Great Lakes, right over Lake Erie. Now what's happening here, and we could see it better with this satellite picture. You see these cold cloud tops here? Again, that means strong lifting. Well, there is some organization going on in the upper levels of the atmosphere that enhances lifting in these locations, and that is heading towards our neck of the woods. So this is going to pass to the south of the warm front. It's not going to have the same dynamics we saw yesterday, where we had tornadoes and severe thunderstorms and just a mess, especially in the evening hours, and especially over the interior. This time, the vertical wind shear is not as strong, so there isn't as much of a threat for tornadoes, but there's certainly going to be a threat for widely scattered to scattered showers and thunderstorms, capable of some very heavy downpours, vivid frequent lightning, and also the potential for downburst wind gusts, which is basically when a lot of moisture gets lifted up in the atmosphere and then crashes back down to the surface. So that could push wind gusts 40, possibly 60 miles per hour. So an isolated severe thunderstorm is possible this afternoon. So once that swings through, then we have this cold front, which again is showing some pretty strong lifting. Remember, the colder the cloud top, the stronger the lifting, because it's being lifted up higher in the atmosphere, thus the cold cloud top. So you're seeing this cold front here, and then you see what's left of Laura, and all this low and mid-level moisture ready to be picked up. And so that's what's going to happen. This cold front's going to pick all this moisture up and shoot it right towards us. A little bit closer to home, you see as the sun is rising, see that strong lifting. This is called the sandwich satellite picture. And the reason why is because it uses the visible and the infrared satellite picture. It uses the visible to give you texture of the clouds, infrared to give you the cold cloud tops and the heights of the clouds. So you can see we have a lot of low clouds here and some mid-level clouds here. And then you can see the really cold cloud tops and the cumulus that's really building here. Pretty impressive stuff here, organizing for the region, and that's all diving towards us. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for scattered showers and thunderstorms as this stationary front is wavering over the region. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s, and it will feel muggy out there. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, watch out for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, some fog, just kind of an unsettled, muggy morning on the way with lows in the lower 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, the remnants of Laura and the cold front both move through the region with waves of showers and thunderstorms. This is going to be tropical downpours. Now, what this essentially means is that some locations will just get a half an inch of rain out of all this. Other locations could easily push 3 inches because some of these thunderstorms, because of tropical in origin, will be capable of producing a half an inch to an inch of rain per hour in some of these cases. So we're going to have to watch that very carefully for localized urban flooding and flash flooding. And also, same idea with the downburst wind gusts. Some of this tropical moisture will be lifted up high in the atmosphere and then crash right back down to the surface, leading to wind gusts over 60 miles per hour at times, so we can't rule out some isolated severe thunderstorms. It's just going to be a rather nasty day. And temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much because of all the rain. Look for highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Sunday, that all clears out. Sunday is 180 degrees better, with high pressure building in, cool, crisp Canadian air building in, with low humidity, low temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. It gets even better on Monday. High pressure passes over the region. Look for very low humidity, clear skies to sky cloud cover, low temperatures in the mid 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid 50s to lower 60s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s along the coast, and mid to upper 70s everywhere else. Beautiful day. Tuesday, start to lose it. High pressure pushes off the coast, one front approaches. It's going to lead to scattered showers and thunderstorms. There is some indication that we may see more widespread rainfall, but I'm going with scattered right now. Looking for lows in the upper 50s to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s, a couple of upper 70s down towards southern New Jersey. On Wednesday, the warm front lifts on through the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms once again. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to mid 80s. On Thursday, warm front lifts to the north of us. Tropical air surges in, lows in the lower to mid 70s with some fog. High temperatures in the mid 80s to lower 90s with some thunderstorms. And then on Friday, the polar cold front moves through with some lingering showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies. Crisp, cool conditions return once again with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s, but the humidity will be very low. And then after that, the really cool air from the secondary cold front comes in. And for next weekend, we could be looking at widespread lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s and widespread highs in the mid 60s to lower 70s. So we'll keep an eye on that. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.